Hey, what is up you guys? It is your boy Insanian and welcome back to this brand new reaction video. So today we got JISOO, Your Love, special video, Rainforest, Wild Asia, Singapore. Right? I've never checked this one out before, therefore it'd be a gentleman authentic reaction video as usual. This one is still new, was released 10 hours ago with 1 million views, 345k likes thus far. Our channel sitting at almost the well-respected 8 million subscribers. Not only this, right, but also Lisa has something tomorrow, I think, that will be cool as well to react to. But if you guys have any other recommendations, you know where to go. My Instagram page, insanian_, link in the description. Got myself some drink as well, some coffee. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for listening. And for 232k subs, you guys are smashing it. And without further ado, let's get right into this. I'm hyped. Let's go.
Stars in my eyes,
Automatically, I'm in love, bro. Look at that. Look at that smile. All I'm saying. Like here she's focused, and then she is like making contact with the camera as if she's actually flirtatious and looking at you. Because I feel like she's personally looking at me. Also because I'm a slightly parasocial person right now. But yo, look. Oh my god, okay. So beautiful. Yeah, we're not gonna get through this. It's gonna be impossible. Just look at that dress. Oh my goodness. And it's such clear quality. This is awesome. Let's go. That's literally like her lyrics are about me, how the way that I see her. Oh, this is fire! This is fire! Oh my goodness! That little monkey, look at how cute! That's so cool. I would never expect JISOO to make a video like this, like in an open nature. That really surprised me, right? But it fits so well, and it's so different that it's also like a breath of fresh air. Filming in such an open nature as an MV is so amazing. You can see everything so crisp and clear. It's awesome, bro. These shots are amazing. The fact that it's just not done in like one open space that's inside, right? But more so just outside. It's cool. I like it a lot. JISOO. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I'm not talking about the shots. No, Jisoo. Oh my goodness. Bro, how can somebody be so gorgeous? It's insane. Bro, if Jisoo is your wife, right? You've completed life. It's like a quest. This is 100% completed. You marry Jisoo. Life completed. No more goals left. Ah! I can't handle this! I can't! Bro! It's too much for me! Oh my! Ah! Why you gotta do this, Jisoo? Why do you have to do this to me? Why? Why? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm not even gonna say anything. This shit is so beautiful! Ah! My heart! No, man. I can't handle this! There are like a million smiles of Jisoo in this video. It's too much for me. Prettiest woman of all time. I don't care what anybody says. Prettiest girl of all freaking time. Look at her. Bro, come on. Oh my god. I feel like a spoiled kid right now. This is without a doubt like the most beautiful shit that I've seen all year. For sure. It is not even close. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That's it, guys. I'm gonna edit this, then I have to go to the beach with my boys, because I promised them, and it's gonna be 30 degrees in the Netherlands, so, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one, tomorrow probably. Love you guys.